Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and don't leave without subscribing, please. And if you like my videos, click the like button so I'll know that you like them and you enjoy them and you like this kind of content. So judging by you already read the title, you know that I'm coming here to do some review about 7-day rice water challenge that I did on my face, and I'm going to review. skin was like this. It was like there were patches of colors and hyperpigmentation. I was suffering from hyperpigmentation, dark spots, like my scars were, my pimples, acne scars were really much. Um, but then, as you can see, as you can see, this is how it was after the 7-day challenge, and you can see I've toned, my skin color is now more even, my pores are reduced and everything. So as you can see on the screen, my skin was really patchy and blotchy and all that stuff. Well, I used it the night before. The video will be somewhere on the screen. I used coconut oil, rice water, my facial cream, the pigment dose, and a facial cleanser. Facial cleanser was not an essential step, but I just wanted my face to be like free of every dirt of day and other stuff. And I did it before I went to bed every single day for 7 days. I did it every single day for 7 days. Day 2, as you can see on the screen, my skin got better. I could feel it was softer, like it was, my skin was softer. And then I did the second day of the RICEWATER challenge. Then the third day, the results, I could notice that my spots and this my mustache was clearing, my black patches was clearing, and my skin tone improved, and it got better. It's got better. The next day, third day of the RICEWATER challenge. Fourth day, as you can see on the screen, my skin got better, the tone, the color, it was very nice, and I started seeing my color, it started brightening my color. And then the 5, the 6, as you can see on the screen, it's got much better. My dark patches cleared, although I had some like breakouts down here, some breakouts, but then it was not so bad. The patches I could see like it was gone, my skin was clearer and all shrunk. Then by day 6 and day 7, it was great. I wasn't that consistent about, like, I didn't do it late at night, I did it early in the morning, like around 2 a.m. That counts, right? No, around 12 1 a.m. 12 midnight and 1 a.m. and it came out nice. And it is, as you can see, day 7, my skin softer, my makeup is 10 times better, like it's so better now. There are no like splotches or patches around. Okay, so I recommend this challenge for those that you have time, you're not too tired at night. Also for those that you have oily skin. If you have oily skin, I think that using the coconut oil without any facial cream will cause breakouts. And maybe even if your skin also. Careful. Apply countermeasures for the coconut oil so it won't block your pores, and then wash your bed sheets to avoid staining your bed sheets and leaving oil residue on it, and keep sleeping on it, keep sleeping on it, keep lying on it, and then the skin gets worse. These are just things I did so that I would see like optimal results in my challenge. Then the coconut oil, it's a healing, like it's a healing moisturizer. So for the rest of the what RICEWATER does is to soften things and clear your skin, tone your skin color, and brighten your skin. There are so many benefits of RICEWATER. I'll leave the link down below. The website where you can read them, articles you can read about. The coconut oil is to heal and to repair. skin and glow, like a glow, a finished glow. Then I also used powder because I don't like, you can see in the video, I don't like putting my face oily, so I have to put on powder to like dry my face a little bit. The facial cream, I told you guys, is to prevent breakouts. I have oily skin, so use how much coconut oil every single day, like 7 days, because it was disastrous for me because I was cleaning my face, so I just had to. That's why I use facial cleanser to clean, and then coconut oils to heal and repair, helping us to clear and prevent any side effects of the challenge. If you guys want to try it, it's definitely not a long time something because you can keep it stays for 7 days. As you refrigerate the rest of that. The 7 days to avoid it spoiling the lifespan 7 days, so it cannot be something we do long term unless you have time to be doing it. Whenever you cook rice, you see that it's really easy. You can do that home, anywhere, anytime, any day. But if you follow the guidelines that I used, make it easier for you. So, does it have long lasting effects? Wow. As you can see, okay, I have foundation on right now. It has, as you can see by the screen here, it's very, if you keep up your skincare regimen, it actually, the effects of the RICEWATER challenge, the results you got will actually last if you keep your skin healthy and you drink your water. That's what I did. This is 3 days after the RICEWATER challenge, and my makeup skin, it's really nice. As you can see. Subscribe and like, comment, and support. If you want to see more from me, and comment down below if there's any other challenge you want to do. Skincare challenge. Ideas.